Hello, I'm Bob with Ace Hardware Home Services, and today we're going to perform routine maintenance on a ductless mini split system. So let's get started. First thing I like to do is power it on and take some temperature readings to confirm normal operation. So once we confirm that everything is running right, we're getting heat produced from this, we'll shut it off and then we'll begin to take apart the unit so we can do the maintenance. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the louvers apart. Take the front cover off to access the filters. So we want to remove these filters and just inspect them for any excessive dust or debris. As you can see, there is some buildup on them. It's important that we clean these as much as possible, at least once a month. Just wash them off and put them back in. And then we're going to begin by removing the screws on the outside cover. I'm just going to continue to take the bottom tray off and try to access the blower wheel. Just want to be careful lifting that evaporator coil. The blower wheel lays behind it. So we're going to inspect that for any dirt, debris, any buildup. We're going to look at the bearings. We're going to look at the shaft. And then we'll clean it up and reinstall it. We're just gonna hose this down now. Just get any debris off of that, make sure it's all clean. Just rotate it a few times, make sure everything, all the buildup comes off of it. We're removing proper airflow. There's no bacteria growing in there. Just wanna dry it off good, make sure we don't drip any water throughout the house, heading back to the unit. So what we're gonna do now is we'll just kind of flush and clean this drain line, the trough area, for where the water builds up and drains. Make sure that drains smoothly. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray down the coil, let that drip into the pan. If there's a lot of buildup on it, then it would probably require a bib kit cleaning at that point. This one is not so bad. We can definitely do this with the hand cleaner. We're gonna dry everything up, and then we're gonna proceed to put the blower wheel back in place. So again, we're gonna gently lift this coil, and we're going to slide this wheel back in place. All right, and that's it for the indoor unit. Now we'll go outside and do the maintenance on the outdoor. All right, now we're at the outdoor unit. And the first thing I like to do is take the front grill off so we can inspect the blower motor and the fan blade and get any debris out from the inside. All right, so now we just kind of want to look in the interior here, check, investigate, make sure we got no issues with the fan blade, see the motor, look for any play. And then we want to just clean out the debris that's settled into the bottom here, and we can begin to clean that coil from the inside out. We're going to continue to hose down the back side of the coil, and then we'll inspect the electric, check out all the wires, make sure they're not frayed or breaking down. Just make sure everything's nice and tight. We got good connections. Make sure we got no bees in here. The last thing we're going to do is gauge it up, and then we'll turn it on and check out operation. And that completes our maintenance today. For optimal efficiency, longevity of your equipment, and to avoid any mid-season breakdowns, we recommend 2 maintenance visits per year. To schedule your maintenance, please call Ace Hardware Home Services today.